If you're trying to stay on top of a busy day, Todoist filters can be a total game changer. Instead of scrolling through one giant task list, you can create smart views that instantly show exactly what you need to do next. In this video, I'll show you how to use Todoist filters to manage your task list more efficiently, and by the end, you'll know how to build a custom filter that keeps your work organized and easy to review. If this kind of tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple productivity tips just like this. Let's get started. First, open the Todoist app in your browser or launch the desktop app. Once Todoist is open, look at the left sidebar menu. This is where you'll find your main navigation options, including your projects, filters, and labels. Now click on the Filters and Labels tab. This section is where Todoist lets you create custom views based on rules that you define. It's one of the fastest ways to turn a messy to-do list into something much more manageable. After you open Filters and Labels, look for the Filters header. Right next to it, you should see a plus button or Add Filter option. Click that to start creating a new filter. Todoist will now open the filter setup screen where you can define both the name of the filter and the logic behind it. This is the part that makes the filter useful because you're telling Todoist exactly what kind of tasks to show. Now type a recognizable name for your filter list. For example, if you want to focus on urgent items due today, you could name it High Priority Today. If you want something for work tasks, you could name it Work Focus. The key here is to choose a name that makes immediate sense when you come back later. A good filter name saves time and helps you stay organized, especially if you're building multiple task views for different parts of your life or business. Next, move into the Filter Query box. This is where you type the search logic that decides which tasks appear in the filter. Depending on what you want to see, you can enter different kinds of query rules. For example, you might use queries that focus on due dates, priorities, labels, or specific projects. This lets you create a highly targeted task view instead of relying on the default list. If you're managing a lot of tasks, this is where Todoist becomes especially powerful because your filter can automatically surface the exact tasks that matter most right now. Once your query is entered, take a moment to review it carefully. Make sure the logic matches the kind of tasks you want to manage. If the filter is meant for high priority work, confirm that the query reflects that. If it's meant for today's tasks, make sure the date logic is correct. Small details matter here because a well-built filter can save you a lot of time every single day. After that, select a custom accent color. This step is optional, but it's very useful. A distinct color helps your filter stand out in the sidebar so you can recognize it instantly. If you use Todoist every day, color coding makes it easier to jump between different views without thinking too much. It's a simple visual cue, but it can make your workflow feel much cleaner and more intuitive. Now click Add to lock it in. Todoist will save the filter, and it should appear in your filters list right away. From this point on, you can click that filter anytime you want to quickly view those specific tasks. Instead of hunting through projects and labels manually, your custom filter will do the work for you. And that's the basic process for using Todoist filters to manage your task list. Once you get comfortable with creating one filter, you can build several more for different parts of your routine. You might make one for urgent tasks, one for work, one for errands, and another for personal follow-ups. The more intentional your filters are, the easier it becomes to stay focused and avoid overwhelm. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more Todoist and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.